Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. I got some new mats for the Subaru and we're going to try them out. Now, the brand is Nilight. They're known for making off-road lights and different types of fog lights and light bars and wiring harness and all kinds of stuff. But they also make some really good products for other things and other vehicles. Well, I found these all-weather mats for the Subaru and I'm going to try them out. So let's see if they fit. Let's do it. So here we have the mats. This is the one for the back seat. You can see this. It's all one piece, and it goes over the hump in the middle, whatever your transmission and stuff is under there. This is the one for the drivers. It has these clips here, these places for your the little pins that your factory mats hook to. And you see these are like supposed to be like perfect fit. So we're going to try these. Let's start with the passenger first. I want to show you these. And they're pretty neat. I mean, I've used a WeatherTech in the truck, and they had some problems with my heel sliding around where they got sand on it under the gas pedal. So I went with some Huskies instead, and it seems to keep my heel stable. And when I get sand and dirt in there, it doesn't slide around too much, because that was just a pain in the butt for me. But anyway, so, here we go, Nilight. And, this isn't a sponsored video or anything like that. I needed some new mats for it. The mats I've been running in the Legacy were all-weather Subaru Crosstrek mats, and they were just a little small. I mean, they fit, and they looked like they were supposed to be there, but they were off by about an inch on the front passenger and driver mat. So, anyways, as you can see here, where your heel sits, this has some nice texture, and so let's get these installed. All right, folks, I already got the old mat out. I'm going to go ahead and put this in there. Just like your other mat, it just goes in the same way. The pins, they fit in the holes just right. The pins do. So the holes that are molded into the mat to hold it. So get those in there. Look at that. Let's check that out. So there we go. You can see right there, the pins fit right in there, and that'll hold it in place. I don't think they'd go anywhere anyways. Looks pretty good. Doesn't slide around or anything like that. You can see it better there. Yeah, pretty good. I mean, they really have a tall side on it, so if you live in a snowy area or muddy, it's going to hold everything. Then you can clean it out. Yeah. Pretty nice. Nice texture. All right. Let's see what we can do with the rear mat. And excuse the wind. It's really windy today. So what I had before was just a couple of these. They were the Subaru, and they're separate on each side. But they don't really hold a lot. Just like rain if your feet are wet. But, it still lets you get dirt everywhere else in the car, too. All right. Got both of those out. Let's go ahead and see what we can do here. It is really windy today, so I've got a lot of stuff in the back seat, but we're going to put this mat down, see how it goes. All right, let's do this. Okay, let me get on the other side. Nice. It's a nice fit. That's a really nice fit. Let me make sure I got everything here. I do. Yeah, that's great. Let's check it out. Check it out. There they are. They fit really good. They're really going to protect everything in the car, including the hump. So when my teenager drives the car and has a bunch of friends in it, a few friends, and they always have muddy feet because their parents don't make them check their shoes or clean them. So yeah, check that out. Man, these are great. These fit really good. And this is they're made of like a plasticky rubber stuff, so they're pretty pliable. They're not real stiff. They're not going to be hard to form or whatever. I've gotten some mats which I've returned that were made of like a plastic, and they were just, because of the way they were folded up in the box, I could never get them flat. Let's go ahead and install the drivers and see how that goes. Okay, folks, here's the big test. Let's do the drivers. Yeah, see, this thing's just little, has a little edge on it. It doesn't really keep straw and all that stuff from getting stuck in your mat. So let's do this. This will look good. Okay, let's see now. Try to get this low so y'all can see what this mat looks like. Check this out. Oh yeah. Now it does cover up my cool dead pedal, but that's okay. Let's try this. There we go. I had it over the gas pedal. That could have been a Prius problem. But yeah, it does cover the dead pedal. Maybe I'll trim that down, but so you can see it. But yeah, this looks really good. Yeah, these look good. And my heel, it's got, look at that. It's got that, so my heel won't slide around. The WeatherTex was smooth. So what happened was, in my truck, is I was at the beach, lots of sand got in the car, and my heel would do this. It would slide all over the place when I was driving, and I didn't like that. I like it to be planted. So this is nice. These fit great. I mean, look at the fit. I mean, they are really, really nice. I'm sure that'll flatten out over time. But yeah, this is great. Yeah, these are awesome. These are awesome. These are going to keep all the grime out of the vehicle. I am happy with these. Well, guys, I hope you liked my little video on replacing the mats in my 2016 Subaru Legacy. These all-weather mats fit great, and they replaced these, which are kind of tiny. These are just old-school Subaru all-weather mats. I think these were made for a cross-track. I don't know. They just seemed a little small. They fit perfect, but they're just a little small. So, you know, I had to do something to get those, to replace those. So, anyhow, by the way, there's other videos on this. This is a lifted Legacy. It's got a 2-inch LP Aventura lift on it with 225 60/18 tires, which is the same size as the Subaru Outback, and raises it another about an inch, 3/4 of an inch to an inch, and I don't know, something fell, and rides great. Rides so much better and so much quieter because, I don't know, maybe the tire, because the tire's got a taller sidewall. I don't know. Rides great. Love it. Love the lift kit. And you can see my other videos on that. And if you have any questions, comment below the video. If you're looking for these mats and you'd like them, as usual, there's a link to the Nilight page under the video in the description. So that's all I got for you today. So I will see you next time. See ya.